Hi, Peter at K2 Bathrooms. We're back here on this job at Stalybridge that we started. Finished it last week. So this is the completed bathroom now. We've refitted a new radiator. Did have a standard radiator with two 10mm plastic pipe tails coming out of there, so we've reconfigured that. Put some nice valves on which don't stick out and catch your leg, called corner valves. We fitted this combination unit which is 1100mm wide. You can get this the opposite way around as well. This unit was about 560, which includes the toilet and the cistern, and then you just, depends on what type of tap you want, you just need to buy your tap. Fitted a 1700 by 700 PGH Solano bath. You can get these 1500, 1600, 1700 by 700, and you can also get 1700 by 750 and even 1800 by 750. And quite a deep bath as well, good quality bath. And I think this bath was about £220. I think the biggest one is about £285. Then obviously, whatever type of tap you want. We fitted an acrylic panel. This is about 15mm thick, so if it ever gets wet, it's not going to rot. We've also put end panel on, and then if you need to ever take it off, you just need to unscrew these chrome caps. So that's easy access. Flooring has been done. We've replied the floor and fitted this. It's like a non-slip flooring, and all this tiling we've had to put some beading around the door frame just to finish it off, so it looks quite well. Customer's going to paint it now. Yeah, so all in all, it's very pleased with it. Nice job. That's Peter, K2 Bathrooms.